let's discuss the calculation of neutral points. I'll be discussing two cases. Case 1, the geographic north is aligned with the magnetic north, the magnet which I have chosen. The magnet length is 40 centimeters and pole strength is 80 ammeters. So in this situation, what happens? We will take 4 points along this x-axis and y-axis. This x-axis here will be the equatorial plane of equatorial axis of the magnet, and y-axis will be the axial line. Now here what happens is that this magnet is kept horizontal, so the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field will be in the upward direction as shown. And I can choose some other point also now. Why I have taken these 4 points only? Because if I take some point in between, at this point it will definitely have a y component and an x component. So the net value, we are trying to find the neutral point where the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field is compensated by the magnetic field of the bar magnet. So such points will not be available if I choose any general point. I have to choose point which is either on the equatorial plane or on the axial plane. So at all these 4 points, the direction H will be upward, and this magnetic lines will be originating from magnetic north to south. So you can see this direction. So at this point it will be downward. If I take this point, draw a tangent, it will be downward on this line, okay, and here it will be upward. It will be upward here, okay. So there is a possibility that at this point we may get the neutral points. If H is balanced by B, I will get the neutral points. H is given as 0.5 Gauss, which is 0.5 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. So this point is on the equatorial line. So B equatorial is equal to mu0 by 4 pi into m by dq, where D is the point where I am thinking that I have got the neutral point. Okay. So if you equate H to B equivalent, you have to equate H to B equivalent. And when you solve, how do I get this capital M? M is equal to M into 2L. 2L is given as 40. M is equal to small m into 2L. M is given as 80 and 2L is given as 40 centimeters total length. So when you calculate that, cube root of this value, you are getting 40 centimeters. So that means 40 centimeters on this side or this side, I am getting the neutral points in this case. So I'll take the case 2. Case 2, along with the geographic north, the orientation is reversed now. The magnetic south is in the geographic north direction. Here also we'll take the 4 points, but here the neutral points are obtained here and here, because if you draw the lines, you see here at this location the lines are magnetic lines are going like this. At this location the direction of B will be in the upward direction only, but here it will be downward. Okay, so this H and B can be balanced over. We cannot take any general point as we discussed earlier. So here my H will be balanced by B axial. So this is the axial line. So B axial is equal to mu0 by 4 pi into 2m by dq. D is the point where I am expecting to find my neutral points. So when you equate these two and you calculate, you finally get D is equal to 50.4 centimeters. That means 50 centimeters above or below there is a neutral point. This is how you calculate this type of questions.